Hello everyone. Today I am sharing with you a open collaboration. It is hosted by At Penny's Place, Penny, and Styling with Stacy, Stacy. Now here in this collaboration, we were to create a Unity Wreath. We are to tell what does unity mean to me, to you. Well, when I think of unity, I think of togetherness. And as I think of togetherness, I can't help but to think of union. And as I think of union, I can only think of as us being one. Now that I've shared my Unity Wreath with you, I hope you will go over to At Penny's Place and Styling with Stacy and check out their videos. Also, I have the playlist available in the description box, so please check that out. And in the words of Styling with Stacy, let's stand together and create an atmosphere of unity. May you all have a blessed night. Continue to be blessed and be a blessing to someone else.